Hi, Mike. Did you get your blood test report?
Not yet. I'm still waiting.
When did you take the test?
2 days ago.
It should be ready now.
Maybe I should call the clinic.
Yes, that's faster.
Hello? I'd like my blood test report, please.
Sure. May I have your name?
Mike Johnson.
One moment, please.
Do they have it?
She's checking now. Yes, it's ready for pickup.
Thank you. Can I get it by email?
Yes, we can send it today.
That's perfect.
Good. No need to go there.
Yes, that saves time.
Are you nervous about the results?
A little, but I feel fine.
I'm sure it's all good.
Thanks, Lisa. You're always positive.
I try to be.
I'll check my email later.
Let me know when you get it.
I will.
Health is important, right?
Absolutely.
Mike, why are you upset?
My parents read my phone messages.
Oh no, really?
Yes, I told them not to.
Maybe they were worried.
I know, but that's my privacy.
Did you yell at them?
Yes, I got angry.
You should talk calmly next time.
I will try.
Parents sometimes don't understand phones.
True.
They think I hide something.
Maybe explain why you feel upset.
That's a good idea.
They love you, just want to protect you.
Yes, I know that. You can show them safe apps you use.
That might help.
Then they'll trust you more.
I hope so.
Don't stay mad too long.
No, I'll talk tonight.
Good. Calm words work better.
Thanks, Lisa.
You're welcome.
I feel better after talking.
I'm glad. Excuse me, Mike. Where's the nearest bus stop?
It's 2 blocks from here.
Which direction?
Go straight and turn right.
Near the supermarket?
Yes, just beside it.
Oh, I see it now. Are you taking bus 15?
Yes, to the city center.
That's the right stop. How often does it come?
Every 15 minutes.
Great. I won't wait long.
The next one is at 3:20.
Perfect timing. Do you have a bus card?
Yes, I topped it up yesterday.
Good. The driver prefers that.
Thanks for your help.
Anytime, Mike. Maybe I'll see you on the bus.
Sure, I go that way often.
Nice. We can chat on the ride.
Sounds good.
Mike, I went to buy that blue jacket today.
Oh, did you get it?
No, it's sold out.
That's too bad.
I asked when they'll restock, but no one knew.
Maybe ask the shop assistant again.
Good idea. Excuse me, will this jacket come back soon?
Let me check her system.
Thank you.
It will restock next Friday.
Great. Can I reserve one?
Yes, just write your name here.
Done. Thanks so much.
That's lucky.
Yes, I really wanted that color.
It suits you well.
You think so?
Definitely.
I'll come back next Friday then.
I can go with you.
Perfect. Shopping together is fun always. Hi, Mike. What juice are you getting?
I think mango.
You?
Maybe orange with carrot?
That sounds healthy.
Yes, I need more vitamins.
Same here.
Excuse me, 2 juices, please.
Sure. Which sizes?
Medium, please.
For me too. Anything else?
No, that's all.
This place smells fresh.
I love fruit shops.
Me too.
The music here is relaxing.
Yes, it feels like summer. Here are your juices.
Thank you.
Cheers, Lisa.
Cheers, Mike.
Tastes great.
Very fresh.
Let's come here again.
Good idea.
Mike, my inbox is full again.
How many emails today?
Over 100.
Wow, that's crazy.
I can't read them all.
Maybe delete the old ones.
Yes, but I get new ones every hour.
Are they work emails?
Mostly. Some are just ads.
You can block spam mail.
How do I do that?
Click unsubscribe at the bottom.
Oh, I'll try that.
Also, make folders for work and personal.
That's smart.
It helps keep things clear.
I need to organize tonight.
Want me to help?
Sure, please.
We'll make it tidy fast.
Thank you, Mike.
No problem.
My eyes hurt from reading too much.
Take a short break.
Good advice. Mike, do you go to the library often?
Yes, I love reading.
I want to borrow some books too.
Great. Do you have a library card?
Not yet.
You can get one at the front desk.
Hello. Would you like to join the library?
Yes, please.
May I see your ID?
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your card.
That was easy.
Now you can borrow books.
Awesome. What kind of books do you like?
Travel and simple stories.
I like history books.
You read serious stuff.
Haha, sometimes.
Let's find some books now.
Sure, I'll help you look.
Thanks, Lisa. Mike, I need to send a parcel to Japan.
Oh, what's inside?
Some gifts for my cousin.
You can send it at the post office.
Yes, but I don't know the forms.
The post clerk can help you.
Hello, how can I help?
I want to send this box to Japan.
Please fill this customs form.
Okay, done.
Do you want standard or express delivery?
Express, please.
That will take 4 days.
Perfect. How much?
$25.
Here you go.
Thank you. It's all set.
Thanks for your help.
That was fast.
Yes, easy and clear.
I'll use express next time too. Mike, do you know if this cafe has gluten-free food?
I'm not sure.
I need to avoid gluten.
Let's ask a waiter.
Excuse me, do you have gluten-free options?
Yes, we do. We have gluten-free bread and pasta.
Great. I'll take the pasta then.
Sure. Would you like a drink?
Just water, please.
I didn't know you can't eat gluten.
Yes, it upsets my stomach.
That must be hard.
A bit, but I'm used to it.
At least places offer more choices now.
True, that helps a lot.
Here's your order.
Thank you.
Looks tasty.
Yes, and safe for me.
Enjoy your meal.
You too. Mike, I think I lost my wallet.
Oh no. Where did you last see it?
Maybe in the cafe this morning.
Did you call them?
Not yet. I'm nervous.
Let's call together.
Hello? I lost a brown wallet today.
What time were you here?
Around 9 a.m.?
One wallet was found. What's inside?
My ID and some cash.
Yes, that's the one.
Oh, thank goodness.
You can pick it up any time today.
Thank you so much.
Yes, I was so worried.
You should mark your number inside.
Good idea, so people can reach you next time.
I'll do that. Let's go get it now.
Yes, I feel better already.
Losing things is stressful.
Tell me about it.
Mike, do you know any pharmacy open at night?
Maybe the one near the station.
Really? I need some medicine now.
Let's call him to check.
Good idea. Hello? Are you open tonight?
Yes, we're open until midnight.
Great. Do you sell cold medicine?
Yes, we do.
Perfect. I'll come soon.
So they're open late.
Yes, until 12.
That's very helpful.
I didn't know pharmacies had night shifts.
Some do for emergencies.
That's good to know.
I'll remember that too.
Let's go now before it's late.
Sure, I'll come with you.
Thanks, Mike.
No problem. Health first.
Mike, this restaurant is so nice.
Yes, I love the view.
I want to sit near the window.
Let's ask the waitress.
Excuse me, may we sit by the window?
Of course, please follow me.
Thank you.
This spot is perfect.
The light feels so good here.
Yes, and we can see the street.
I like watching people walk by.
Me too, it's relaxing.
Here are your menus.
Thank you.
The sunset looks beautiful.
Great choice of table, right?
Yes, window seats are the best.
I'll always ask for one now.
Same here.
Let's order something nice.
Sure, let's enjoy dinner. Mike, I think I lost my credit card.
Oh no, when did you last use it?
Yesterday at the grocery store.
You should call the bank now.
Yes, before someone uses it. Hello? I lost my credit card.
Okay, may I have your name, please?
Lisa Brown.
Thank you. I'll block the card right away.
Thank you so much.
Do you want a new one?
Yes, please.
It will arrive in 5 days.
That's fine.
Did they block it?
Yes, it's safe now.
That's a relief.
I'll be more careful next time.
It happens to everyone.
Thanks for helping me stay calm.
Anytime, Lisa.
Mike, what dessert should we try?
The menu looks great.
I can't choose between cake and ice cream.
Let's ask the waiter.
Excuse me, what dessert do you recommend?
Our chocolate cake is very popular.
That sounds amazing.
It's homemade and very soft.
I'll take one, please.
I'll try the mango ice cream. Good choices.
I love chocolate so much.
And I love cold desserts.
We can share a bit.
Sure, half for each.
Dessert time is the best.
Always. Here you go. Enjoy.
Wow, looks perfect and tastes even better.
Sweet happiness.
Couldn't agree more. Mike, can you hear that sound?
Yes, a phone keeps ringing.
It's been non-stop for 10 minutes.
Maybe someone forgot to mute it.
It's so distracting, especially in this quiet cafe.
Should we tell the person?
Let's see who it is first.
Oh, it's that man over there.
He's wearing earphones.
No wonder he doesn't notice.
I'll tap his shoulder politely. Excuse me, your phone is ringing.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Thank you, that was kind.
Thank you. That was kind.
Finally, peace.
Some people forget in public places.
Yes, we all should be careful.
True. Respect others' silence.
I'll check mine too, just in case.
Good idea.
Mike, have you checked in yet?
Not yet. I just arrived.
The line is short now.
Great. Let's go together.
Good morning. I'd like to check in.
Sure. May I have your passport?
Here you go.
Thank you. Any bags to check in?
Yes, one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Okay, perfect.
Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Now it's my turn. Next, please.
Here's my passport.
Thank you, sir. All set.
That was fast.
Yes, now we can relax.
Let's grab a coffee before security.
Great idea.
Mike, did you order food already?
Yes, about 20 minutes ago.
Did they say when it will arrive?
Around 7 p.m.
It's 7:15 now.
Oh, maybe traffic is bad.
Let's check the app.
Let's check the app.
That's good.
I hope it's still hot.
What did you order?
Pizza and salad.
Yum.
You can share if you like.
Thanks.
Delivery is usually quick here.
Yes, but rain slows it down.
True. Oh, look, the driver's here.
Great timing.
I'll get the food.
Smells delicious already.
Let's eat.
Mike, that man is talking so loudly.
I know, it's hard to read.
This is a waiting room, not a market.
Some people forget to be quiet.
Should we say something?
Maybe wait a bit.
It's been 10 minutes already.
Okay, I'll speak politely.
Excuse me, could you lower your voice, please?
Oh, sorry, I didn't notice.
That was kind of you.
No problem. It's peaceful again now.
Yes, finally quiet.
I don't like noisy places,
Me either.
especially when I'm waiting for something, like a doctor's appointment.
Exactly.
Let's hope it stays quiet.
Fingers crossed.